He's hungry. You're a hungry boy.
Good morning, guys. So today we are going to an elephant sanctuary here in Chiang Mai, and I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't be more excited. I've literally been waiting like 5 months to go to one of these things, and now we are finally going.
Literally, like in October when we did sell all of our stuff, Daddy, I was like, there's one thing that I want to do when we're in Southeast Asia. I want to go see elephants, because originally the plan was to be going all the way south through Southeast Asia, then come up through China, and then come to Chiang Mai. And Daniel's like, but I want to go see the elephants. Well, the day came early. We're here. We're excited, and yeah,
that's about
it's
it.
Called yeah.
Stay with them, especially a baby one. They're separate for their parent. See, there was a little. That's why they need a love, need a partner.
Hi, Pa.
So we have just made it to the elephant park, and time to figure out what we're doing.
The area around here is beautiful, and the drive was so filled with mountains and trees and just farms, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like all of the elephant sanctuaries are kind of concentrated in the same space.
Yeah.
Oh, we're having to take off our shoes.
They use the elephant to drag the tree, you know. They not only control the elephant by the bow hook, they also use a kind of a knife. How the elephant, for the elephant, drag the tree. Sometimes right here, some of our elephants still have a scar by their legs, because when the elephant stop for walking, they will hit the elephant by the knife on the elephant's leg before the elephant keep walking.
We just finished the first introductory presentation at Elephant Rescue Park, and we learned so much about how they really actually care about the elephants, and they go and rescue them from riding cabs and logging. And they ended up telling us this really, really sad story of one of their elephants that ended up passing away. They tried rescuing her from a riding camp, and she stepped on a sharp metal piece, and it like infected her leg and it infected her knees, to where they had to buy her. And elephants are super expensive. They're between $60,000 and $100,000. And then the owner that owned her beforehand, even though the elephant was sick, was like, if you want to take it to the hospital, you have to buy the elephant first.
And apparently that's like super common over here. And they said there's about 100 parks, and 80% of those parks treat elephants in that way, where they're just used for business, and even down to like stabbing the elephant's leg to get them to walk, or stabbing them with a hook on the back of the head so that way they keep moving. The elephants aren't allowed to rest or really eat, so like apparently some of those elephants, you'll see them, like if you go to like the riding camps, they'll eat really fast because they're supposed to eat like 18 hours a day?
Yeah, 18 to 20 hours a day. I didn't even know that. And they're forced to work 10 to 12 hours a day in a lot of the circuses and the riding camps, to where they don't have the time to eat and the time to be elephants.
Yeah.
And so anyway, it was really, really sad. They told us that in the old times they used to ride elephants, and that's not necessarily the problem. The problem lies when you're putting all of this crazy weight on the back of the elephant. 1 or 2 people, fine. Not on a basket, fine. But on a giant basket with 3 to 4 people being forced to work 10 to 12 hours a day, not eating, not getting water, and then getting stabbed until they're literally bleeding so that they can keep walking. That just broke my heart. So anyway, if you guys are planning on doing an elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai, do your research. Just make sure that they're doing, ethical work, because that's not okay.
Yeah.
That really broke my heart. Sorry, I'm a little agitated. That was really sad.
But on a very positive note, what they do for these elephants is amazing.
Yes.
They literally just rescue them from that environment, and then they pretty much set them free, and they just love on them. Okay, so they have 3 baby elephants. Each baby elephant has a full-time caretaker, because the elephants don't have a mother, so they need to feel that love and connection.
And sometimes, the caretakers will try going into the bathroom, and the baby elephant will try going in with them.
It's ridiculous. And apparently, like, they'll build like super strong connections. And he warned us. He was like, by the way, with the baby elephants, if you're by the mud, if you're by the water, you need to be careful. They're very playful. So they'll like pick mud and sling it at you just to play.
Which is so cute. Please
Right?
sling mud at me.
Right? What a bad problem to have.
Right? Sorry, this baby elephant just got mud all up in my hair today.
Yeah. All right, so they actually have us change into these outfits because elephants are colorblind to like all colors except for like 3, and
And this is one of them.
This is one of them, so I don't quite understand the process behind it, but we're gonna trust
But it
them.
smells nice.
It does smell really nice.
They do the laundry here.
All right, so the way that these pants work is they told us to only leave our swim trunks under them because later we're gonna get to swim with the elephants and give them a bath. So they call them elephant pants because they're massive. So you take one side, pinch it over, and you tie it. Except I did that way too loose. Let's try that again. They said to make it tight or else your pants will fall off while walking with the elephants. And you know, when walking with elephants, I kind of want to focus on the elephant, not my pants. Then once it's tied, you just fold it over. He said roll it. I think it'd be fine.
Alrighty guys, we just got into our outfits. I actually think that they're pretty cute. I put on my elephant pants and it was kind of weird because I had to fold them like super small because I didn't fit inside of them. And now I think I am a tiny baby. Hey, I'm almost taller than you right now.
Because she's on a ledge.
They don't need to know that. Anyway, right now I think that we're actually gonna go and meet the elephants and touch them. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I just saw them too.
Wait, you did? Where?
I did. They were up top. We're about to go see them.
Okay, okay.
And play with them. I just heard an elephant do its elephant sound that I can't even recreate for you. I am actually, I don't know what they do, but it was really cute and I'm so excited and I think I just lost all of my marbles. Daniel fixed my hat. Do you guys like it? Do you guys like my outfit? I try to keep it fashionable for you guys. Before you get to feeding the elephants, they actually tell you that you have to wash your hands pretty well because our hands are full of chemicals and we're about to feed the elephants like the bananas. And so we don't want to have them eat our chemicals. We're the cute red outfit caravan right now.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Her name Bunma. Can you repeat their name after me? Bunma.
Bunma.
Because when you approach to elephant, you have to call their name first. Let them know. And Bunma. Mr. Chu. Yeah. Bunma, she come from logging industry. That's why she had a lot of scar on her forehead and her body. Yes. And next one, Moji. M-O-J-I, Moji, like emoji on Facebook. And Moji, you can see, Moji will have the hole on her right ear because she come from Karen people, Karen family. Karen people, they have a belief they will cut some part of their body, give to the god or goddess. Yeah, that means to let the god to protect their life, to be from the bad things. They do in human too. Yeah. Do you know long neck? Long neck people. That is the Karen people. And how to hold banana? You have to hold banana this way. Only this way. Save your hand. And it's easy for elephant to grab from you. Yes. And you lead it out. Ma. Yeah. And please call their name. Yeah. And dog.
I see.
We will start with the Bunma. Yeah, we will start with Bunma.
Bunma, hi. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. Oh my goodness. And then Moji? Yeah. Moji, hello. Here. There you go. Hey, and what's his name? Hello. Okay. Hey, look at that. Alright, I'm coming. Yeah, that's what he wants. Manu, you want some banana? You want some banana? Guys, we just finished feeding them and now we're just gonna go on a walk with them. So don't mind as all the babies pass behind me.
Oh, yes. Manu.
Next to you. Hey. Manu is my favorite elephant. She is a total sweetheart. She likes to take it really slow. She likes to relax, like right now. They actually have to bribe the elephant with food so that it can move. This is my kind of elephant. You should bribe me with food and coffee. Oh my gosh. Holding his hand, Daniel. Oh my god. So we just finished our walk and we have made it to the area where the elephants go and use the bathroom, they drink some water, they get freshened up because it's actually a super duper hot day. Big surprise, we're in Thailand. But then after this we're going to be going to the swimming pool to bathe them. And Manu decided to join us. Manu took a break and roamed through the forest and then came back. But there's this little cute one that had a yellow flower, and when they crossed the road, she, with her trunk, held onto her trainer's hand as she was crossing the road. I want one.
Nhớ thử đai nữa.
So now we're switching to the GoPro cam because it's bathing time. Oh, sorry. So, perdón. Disculpa.
I'm sure.
You just splash water on it?
This one over here was trying to take my top off.
Watch your feet, watch your feet.
Careful. Hello. So now that they're done taking a shower, they're gonna go dry off, and then I'm not really sure. The way that they bathe the elephants is actually by using tree bark that when you rub it, excuse me, on the elephant, it looks like shampoo. It even suds up and everything, and then you use the scrub, and you have to scrub it pretty hard because the elephant skin is very thick. So That was so cute. We just got to bond with elephants. So after we finish bathing them, you actually have some time to take some group photos, take pictures with the elephants before going to lunch and then heading out for the day. All in all, this has been really, really cool.
Yeah. I've absolutely loved just the fact that you can simply interact with these massive animals and they are so sweet. Like, there's nothing aggressive or mean about them. They literally just want to eat, walk, poop, pee, and love on you.
Yeah, and they love bath time.
Yeah, right? They were done today though. Like, they got in pretty quick. Everyone started like scrubbing them down, washing them, and apparently for them this is cold because it's the start of winter, and so they just get out of the water real fast.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Not anymore. These are pictures frame made from the elephant's poo. For all of you, it's not smell anymore. Safety. Don't worry. Okay, one each.
Kapung ka.
Made out of elephant poop.